My name is David Taylor. I'm 27 years old. I work at Cosmetics. I believe in taking care of my skin. I start off with the Dragon's Blood 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. It has notes of clove and patchouli. Then I use a cooling coffee scrub. It's caffeinated. I don't drink it, but I put it on my skin as it improves blood circulation, and the menthol helps me wake up in the morning. Then I apply a charcoal face mask. It detoxes my skin and draws out all the impurities. I'll leave this on for 10 minutes while I prepare the rest of my routine. I hate giving money to big corporations, which is why I buy my hair and skincare products from CLforMen. It's handmade, so I can trust that it's not filled with harsh chemicals that were tested on animals. I especially love the daily toner with no alcohol because alcohol dries your face and makes you look older. Followed by a beard oil, not for my beard, but for my head. Then moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. There is an idea of David Taylor, some kind of abstraction, but there is no real me. And though I can hide my dead gaze, and you can see my chest rise as I breathe, I am simply not there.